great morning for you so far. Nice bright one.
Oh,
33 degrees in Boston. Coming up at 10:15, Mozart piano concerto that has always kept people guessing. That little bird who used to sing the last note. But we don't know. Did Mozart copy the bird, or did the bird copy Mozart? Can't wait to bring that to you. It's coming up at 10:15. And at 10:46, the sound of a great French orchestra, the Paris Orchestra, playing Ravel. Right now, Chopin's The Third Impromptu with Andrew Tyson.